Hello and welcome to BitcoinMF. Quick TA update. I remind you this is not a financial advice, and all the links are in the description. If you like, you can check them and follow to see what I see. And if it's your first time here, so I would be glad if you smash the subscribe button and the like button and follow market with me. Okay, so anyways, on the daily chart, if we open it, we can see that it's like price doesn't want to come down, although in my opinion many people do wait for it to come down. I also wait for it to come down in some level, but trade wise right now I am still long, and I think that today what is important to notice is also I write in the Discord server in the morning, so you can check it out, that this 8.5 level, okay, approximately this level, and also this line, but it's 8.5, okay. In my opinion, if we hold above 8.5, we have still chance to go up and maybe test this line, and who knows, maybe even break through this line and try to test the next area, okay. And the next area, if we open, if we zoom out, in my opinion the next area is about here, sorry, and here, okay. So again, this is I now look at the bull scenario, let's say that way. If the price it goes up, so I think there is still a chance for us to test this line and also maybe break this and go to this area. And after we go to this area, in my opinion, we can anticipate a correction. But also, market doesn't always do what I want or anticipate or say. So I also look at the other scenario, and I think like this, that right now people who believe that it will go more down today, they enter the short because they wait for a little up move and they go short, okay. But I think that the real short was here, okay, or even here, and we can tell because this candle, you remember this candle, 1K candle. So it got us up to here, and everybody was so excited, and immediately it fell down here, okay. And I think that it tricked many people, because when it fell, I think that many people went into short, and if they're not licked already, or if they still open, I think that today they start to feel the pressure and maybe start to close, okay. But also if they close, so price is going a little bit up, if you know what I mean. And if price is going a little bit up, so more people go in because they see it's going up, and there are people that's waiting for some kind of personal confirmations, and when it goes up they step in. On the other side, we got the people who step in for short, okay, like always. And like I say, market is designed to do one thing. It's designed to drag you inside, okay. Once you put your money inside, it knows how to handle it. It sounds strange, it sounds fucked up, but in my opinion it is like this, okay. So we do like this. We add the indicators, okay, the regular mimicators. You can follow this and you can see that we still don't have enough volume for this bull move, okay, that I talk about. So this must be cautious, must be monitored very closely, in my opinion. But also we see that the RSI is still above the 50 level, which means that we are still in the positive phase. And when the RSI goes below the 50, in my opinion, this is when we will feel the real negative phase. But the problem is, the trick is that it will probably not go slow, in my opinion, but it will first make the up move, okay? And then it goes fast. And when it goes fast, it's like it's like here, it's gonna dump on us. And when you think here of short, maybe it's no good idea, you know? It's no good idea. So again, last thing before we move to the smaller time frames. Like I say, after 2-3 red candles, it's a little bit dangerous to short or too long. It depends on the candles, you understand me? So now we have 2 green candles. So what it means? It means that it's dangerous too long. And yes, in my opinion, it's dangerous too long, because if it suddenly gives us the week or something, that will cause panic in the market, and we can fall even real hard. In my opinion, it is still possible. But if the market, as I say, does what the least amount of traders do, so I still think that there is a chance for us to go up, because if we go up, we've got much stops here and much stops here, and if we go to this area, also people will step in, I think, for long, because it will be like kind of a breakout and kind of all-time high for the last period, you know, for the last bear market, and it will trigger people to go in. And when they go in, this is where I think it will first shake off, and then we have to see and follow and decide what will do. Okay, so like always, a quick run up. The BB bands are loading. The BitcoinMF strategy is loading. Heikki Nashi candles, and we go, and we can see the move down is trying to sell off, but this line is serving as support. The EMA and the mid BB is serving as support, and this candle is still Heikki Nashi green. Okay, RSI is also going up, but remember those 3 are lagging, so actually it already went up, and now we can possibly see a move down, which will be painted in the RSI only laters. Okay, so this is the 6 hour. The 6 hour we look and we see, oh, it didn't change. The 6 hour it doesn't let me because I didn't pay for TradingView yet. Okay, I live without the 6 hours for now, it's okay. 4 hours, okay, 4 hours we can see that it's trying to close above the mid BB bands. We get the volume decrease, so it means that people who are waiting to short, they also see this and they know that might go down, okay? But I also look, like always, on the RSI, and I look at the MACD, and if we get like a little pump even now, manipulation kind of pump even, it doesn't matter, and the MACD starts to print the positive phase, so we can still go up, and we can break this line. And if we break this line and hold the support for this line, we can go and check what's up with the top BB action. In my opinion, this is at play. Of course, a dump is always at play, but you know what I mean. For now, I'm looking at this. Okay, 1 hour, we can see that we have the EMAs crossing, and the EMAs crossing is a tricky thing, because sometimes it crosses, and in the books, in the textbook trading, you know, it's like oh no, bye, but many times I see that when it wants to cross like here, it actually goes the other way. It confuses, it makes people go short, makes people think that it won't hold, and then it shoots up. So here we can see that we can see that the volume is rising, okay, and it's like signaling us that there is a stable ground to go long, in my opinion. But this must be careful, because it can also, you know, do the thingy and then go up, if up at all. But again, it also can play out the simple way sometimes and just shoot up. To be honest, I think that this time this is what will be, but we must see. Just to shoot up and try to close above this line. I think that will make a nice market move, and we're gonna have to follow for this today. Here on the 30 minutes, we can see the BB top action. And the BB top action, like I say, it works on all time frames. I watch it on the 15 minutes, but also on the bigger time frames. When I see the candle starting to pierce the BB bands and they start to close outside the BB bands, and we can see this with the regular candles better, okay? This is what I'm looking for. This close outside. You see how much outside it is? When it's outside closing, I know that there is a chance for like a little rev move, at least, because it's like must get to the BB bands, and sometimes it gets to the BB bands and it goes again, it continues down, okay? But I always watch the BB bands, okay? I always watch them. And now I watch them here on the 30 minutes, and you can see that here we got a new candle, and it's right away starting to trying to get the price back. But again, we look at the more general picture, and it doesn't mean that it goes down now. It can, of course, but it also can shoot up, because it can shoot up to open the range, and all the volume is present, but we must follow this, okay? So back to the AK Nashi, and we look at the 15 minutes is like I call it the scalpels time frame. And people say to me, Lazy, why you look on this 15 minutes is stupid. I say, you look whatever you want to look. I look much on the 15 minutes. Why? Because I see that the candles are starting to form, to close, and then it takes the other way. And then when you think of going short, it pierces, and then it struggles, and it somehow goes always the other way. So I look at this, and I look at this, and I look at this, and you got the idea. Okay, so right now on the 15 minutes, we got the BB top action, as I call it, and right now price for bulls is trying to search support. The first support is this line, the second support is this line, and if we can't find this support and it pierces down those two EMAs, there is a chance for us to go down, okay? And when it goes down, it finds support again. On the bigger time frame, you can, when it starts to fall, you can check this. If it starts to fall, and it will find support here and here, and if it falls good, and it closes below, so it will find support on the next time frame. And this is how I generally watch market. It doesn't mean it's working always, but it's kind of a good way, in my opinion. I also, of course, follow the patterns, and I trade match patterns. And you can see this on the Telegram channel. If you like, there is a link. It's free. And also, if you go to the website, you can download this pattern scanner demo for yourself. So you don't have to be dependent on the Telegram scanner. And there you will be able to play with all settings and see exactly what powers does this tool have, okay? And I suggest you, if you like and if you got spare time, you can check it out. It's no bullshit, it's free. You just need to put the email, and you will get the link with the file. And I don't care even what email you're gonna use, but just use one that you can open to read the file. You know what I mean? Because I will not send any spam or any promotion stuff. At least not on the near future, okay? So anyways, I hope this was helpful today, and please trade safe. Don't put all your eggs on my basket, because sometimes I'm right and sometimes I'm wrong. I don't know what is going to happen. I can only tell you what I think about market, actually, okay? So take care, smash the like button, leave a comment if you like, subscribe, this will mean the world to me, and good luck, and I see you next time. Bye bye.